Hey guys, we're about to unbox the Raceseng, Raceseng.com shift knob. Now, I'm holding here the stock ND1 or 2 6-speed manual shift knob, which is a pretty nice piece. A little bit small, but it's heavy. Listen, that's heavy, okay? So I already kind of ripped the box open, so you have to watch that. But look, all right, we get this little sticker thingy. Okay, papers. Okay, well, look at that. That's like pretty intense for like a shift knob. Get out of there with one hand. Wow, look at that. That's pretty sweet. I mean, for shift knob, let me get this. There's a piece of tape or something here. What is this? Let's see. There we go. Now this is the translucent contour that I have ordered. So we're gonna see how this looks. Wow, look at this. This is like this foam padding. They take this stuff seriously. These guys, and the cool thing is, these guys are only about 10 minutes from me in Alberta, Pennsylvania. Look at this, the Raceseng story. I swear I have not opened this before. I don't know anything about this. This story commenced when grandpas to make race car parts. Hope this partnership will be driving your car more. Sorry to stop here. You can read that if you want. This is very impressive. Another little sticker. So we got 2 stickers. And here, I believe, with the knob. And let's see. Download installation guide. Oh, look at this. Okay, so it comes in the special. Wow, I could tell you guys, this thing is so heavy. Oh my god. Listen to this. Ready? Holy crap. Okay, and it looks like the little adapter is in. That's a little adapter for it. I think that's it. This is pretty impressive. I gotta say, for a shift knob. Look at this little baggie here. Oh, can I open this with one arm, with one hand? I don't know. I need a need a head thing, you know. Point of view camera. Oh, here we go. Wow, look at that. Oh, is that a beauty or what? Oh my gosh, look at that. I have never actually been, like, actually sort of taken aback by a shift knob. This is the first time. So it looks like this piece here goes inside of that, and then that screws onto the thing. And here I'll show you the differences. So it looks like, depending on how far this pushes this up, this might be lower or might be around the same. Now, using my right hand, because I'm shifting my right hand, that fits there. Oh, that's nice. It's a solid feeling. I'm impressed, guys. Raceseng, guys, Albertus, shout out. It came in this little box. I ordered only about 2 days ago. No, they are not cheap, but the way someone put it out to me was, besides the steering wheel and the clutch, or the gas pedal, whatever, the shifter is what you use the most, or almost as much as the clutch or whatever. Or I guess the same amount, right? Yeah, every time you shift, you use the clutch. Yeah, that makes sense. But anyway, besides the steering wheel, this gets used, the top 3 of your car. Whereas, we spend lots of money to put LEDs in our backs, our back tail lights, and we don't even see them, like I did. So here's the sounds. Okay, here's the stock one, and here's this one. Wow, yeah, that's cool. So actually, you can get this with or without the engraving. You can see now in the ND Miata MX-5, it does a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and reverse is down and up, sort of. You got to push down and come around. So this is optional. I believe it's a little cheaper without this, but this is really nice. I really like the color. I think it's gonna match the color of the car very well. So there you go. There's an unboxing of the Raceseng shift knob for the ND2, and I'm going to go put it out on there now, but I can tell you right now, this is quality. This is quality, quality, quality. It's really finely well made, highly, very involved process to make these. This is very nice. Wouldn't be surprised if these took longer to make or come up with at least than these. And we'll see how it is. See you guys later.